Lebanon, Oregon.
With who?
Our friend Chad.
Pastor Chad.
What's up?
Pastor Chad. Daniel. Austin's in there, asleep. Just getting in the hot tub, hanging out.
After the show, it was great. Awesome times.
Nice little chill time to hang out after the show.
Good show.
It was a good show. We had a good time. Great bands played. Yeah.
We have one more week left on our tour, so everybody who is
Go to
back
Centralia.
home, yes,
Go to Centralia.
go to all the shows.
Have Miles tell you a little story.
What story?
What story? The what?
Your
Oh, the
pond.
pond. Tell them about the pond.
Alright, so I'm walking out of this house. This is a really nice house. I'm walking out and there's like this kind of windy area. I have my cell phone probably like 6 inches away from the ground, like trying to see where I'm going, and all of a sudden I'm waist deep in a pond, freezing cold water, and I like turn around and look at the house, and I'm all just like disoriented, and I come in and I open the door. I'm like, Lauren, come help me, and he like brings me a towel. He's like, what did you do? And he like feels my pants. I was soaking wet,
It's no lie.
waist deep,
It's no lie.
pants are soaking, but I still had a good night. It's been a great time. Got in the hot tub after. So, much love.
Bottom line is,
Bottom line,
this is
great
the last
night.
week of our tour. Come out to any of the shows that are left. Everybody back home in Salt Lake City next Saturday night, the 22nd. We will be
Homecoming show. Merry Christmas.
We'll be playing at Kilby Court with our friends in the Trademark and Mesa Drive and Dear Stranger. So everybody come out, please, to the show. It'll be great to see you all.
Cool. Dan, say goodbye.
Bye.
And one more time for our
Pastor
friend,
Chad.
Pastor Chad.
Toodaloo. Go check out the Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Much love, guys. Peace out.